let's take this beautiful hijabi princess from looking like this to this. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Udokiwago and this is the makeup tutorial. I went ahead to groom her brows, and afterward I started cleansing her face, remove every single dirt and debris. I then decided that I wanted to apply or insert some contact lenses on her eye. Honestly, it wasn't the initial plan, but you know what, it looks fantastic on her, so yeah. Then I applied a toner. One thing I love about this toner is the fact that it just helps in regulating oil. Then I applied some serum. There's something about a good skin prep that just changes the game. However, I went into a moisturizer, which is the one from Uncover, to just lock in the moisture. I have been obsessed with the Danessa Myricks Blow Balm. Honestly, I hate the fact that a lot of you guys did not put me on this, but hey, this is fantastic. For foundation, I used two foundation, the Maybeline Super Stay Foundation and also the Huda Beauty Easy Blow Foundation, which honestly right now has been my cult favorite, and you guys need to plug yourself on it. You know, the crazy thing is that for every single time I apply something on this beautiful girl's face, I kept telling her, God damn, you're so beautiful. Oh my goodness, you're so beautiful. And she just kept on laughing. Anyways, the flawlessness of this combo is just top tier. So after foundation, I went into contour using the black opal stick foundation in the shade Ebony Brown, and I chiseled out her cheeks, her jawline, her chin. Then I also went into a blush, and I love using my iMagic lip palette as my blush. Like, it does the job for me. Concealer, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade I've forgotten the shade Cacao and the shade Deep Chestnut, just for her inner and her outer corner. Quickly went ahead to use a damn beauty blender to beauty sponge, you guys should not kill me, to blend out the under eye. And then after that, I went into my setting powder. Like every single person who used to rave about, oh, Merci smooth powder. No. You guys need to plug yourself on the Merci Blow setting powder, because that is the tried and true. Okay, and I use that to set her under eye, her forehead, her chin, like, you know, every single place that I needed to like set for a flawless finish. And afterwards, I went into the Sephora Micro Smooth powder to set her entire face, and her face is already looking flawless. For contour, I'm going into the CoverGirl Ebony Bronzer to contour her face. Just give it a little sculpt here and there. And then using the warm orangey shade on my Annie's Beauty palette, the eyeshadow palette, to serve as her blush. After this, I went ahead to, I think I said doing her eyeshadow. I used like a bunch of colors or shades from the Morphe palette. I'm not sure which particular palette that is, but you guys can see how it looks on camera. I'm just using mostly the warms and the browns, just to like give the pigment a little base that is going to sit on. I don't know if you get what I mean, just to give like a little bit of darkness to her eye, so that it will serve as a base for the eye pigment. Now for the very first eye pigment, I used the shimmer shade from the Annie's Beauty palette, from the bridal palette, and then just to enhance the overall appearance, I applied the mcgrath eyeshadow. I can't remember exactly which eyeshadow that is, but you can see it on camera, and I just used it to tap by the side, just to give it like a little pop, to also like enhance the appearance of the contact, and it looks fantastic. I smudged her under eye, applied liner behind the camera. For eyebrows, I was reaching for something very soft and natural without like over exaggerating the entire look, and I'm using the Talkglam brow pencil, which is my tried and trusted brow pencil, brow product out of this world. To be honest, it gives like that beautiful hair-like stroke effect. You would love it. Totally recommend. Went ahead to use the micro smooth powder to dust out every single setting powder excesses under her eye, just all over her T-zones. And after this, I went ahead to use my Pat McGrath blush balm Honestly, you know how you get something in PR and then you're now like, oh yes, now I have to buy this with my money whenever it finishes. Yeah, that is where I am with this particular product. Now after this, I popped in little Msmetic lashes. One thing I can tell you about Msmetic lashes is the fact that it is very easy to apply. Like, it doesn't stress you when you're applying it on someone's eye. Then next, I'm doing her lips in the Omarico lip liner. I can't remember the shade exactly, but this is definitely the darkest shade. Then using the Eye Magic lip palette, the pinky nude shade, I'm using it as her inner lip combo. NK lip gloss up her lip. It gives you that juicy full lips effect, and I love. I'm using the YSL illuminator. It has that bronzy warm effect and I super love. Then using my Milani setting spray to set and seal her face. For extra grip, I use the So Pro Seal It spray to just mattify the entire face. Fenty Beauty highlighter, the diamond bomb one, to just give that little glitter pop to the face. Then applied mascara on her under eye. I feel like we've come to the end of this particular look. She definitely looks like a goddess. This is a very good hijabi friendly sort of makeup, and I think you would be obsessed with this look. Bye.